y'all? It's been a minute, but I'm back. And you already know where I'm at. I'm in Beverly Hills. Basically, we're just gonna get into a little cruise. I wanna show y'all around the city. If you ain't watched the channel before, this thing pops. It's got an exhaust. It's not tuned, but it's got intakes. It sounds almighty. It sounds mean. But let's get into the drive. Man, this thing sounds mean. This is where you gotta watch out for cops, though. This thing's fast. This is my first time driving it.
Ooh. What is that over there?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Check this out, y'all. Oh, I see a Ferrari and shit on the other side.
There's a songway? Yeah, there's a songway.
Oh, that's nice. This is the new Ferrari SUV. Ooh, I love the 812, bro. Ooh, a GT2. Y'all hear the pops. Watch out, niggas. Man, this bitch got some kick to it. You have to time the turbo right, though. When that turbo kicks in, it's like a big difference. All right, we're gonna try launch control. I've never done this before. Oh, that's fast. Yo, we lost traction on that one. That was sweet. That shit was sweet.
You could feel the like it's
yeah. You can actually like
tires,
feel it.
like, there's zero.
Yeah.
Just fully launched it.
That was really nice. Oh!
God damn.
Damn, 4x4 G-Wag. I'm gonna do like a little cruise up to this, I call it white picket fence. It's a really nice view, so stay tuned. The drive up literally like looks like fucking Jurassic Park, like not even on like some cringe shit. Like the trees are just insane, and you could hear like the sound echo off the wall. It's gonna be sick. All right, this is like my favorite part of this. Look how sick this looks. This house right here, insane crib. It was used in mad movies, and I forgot who bought it, but some tech CEO just bought it. Look how pretty this shit is, bro. I fucking love Cali. We made it, boys. Y'all my ratings on the GT. Now y'all been seeing I've been making videos with this thing for a while, like at least a year now. And after driving it, of course, since I've been in it so much, I wasn't like crazy overwhelmed or impressed or like nothing crazy, obviously, because I've been in it so much, but it stands on the points even more. Like this shit is, it's enough rowdy, it's luxury, it can be smooth when you want, but like it's just all around crazy. Like when I'm in it, the driving position, bro, I feel like I'm in like an actual like supercar. The quality's insane. It could be a little louder, I will be honest. It has midsection and it's got intakes. And like I was saying earlier in the video, when we're cruising around, like, bro, it sounds mad good. But if I put my music on, or like we got the homies talking and shit, or we're in traffic in the freeway, it gets a little hard to hear the car, like over other noises. But bro, all around, insane fucking car. I really liked it. And bro, I gotta get an E63. Like next car, maybe E63. C63. I will say the weight, when you're going slow, the wheel does feel like heavy. It's a heavy car, so if you're used to like smaller cars, you're gonna notice it. But it's so dynamic, it makes up for it. When you're going around the corners, it feels really good. Once you get used to it, this car is fucking impressive. And y'all have seen by all my other videos how impressive this car, when Leonard's whipping it through the canyons and you actually have fresh fucking rubbers on it, it moves, bro. Shit is crazy. But I don't know what we're about to get into. I'm probably gonna start a little vlog here. It was just a short little POV of me driving. I'm gonna get some more content of me driving. And yeah, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I've been so inactive, but I'm just locked the fucking on real life, bro. I'm trying to get my shit going so I can bring y'all better content and really bring myself better content. I'm trying to do better in life. I'm trying to really just fulfill my dreams. But I'll be back, y'all. Just give me some time. Have a good one.